Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's segment, we're in the backyard and we're doing an unboxing of a 1300 series Ego. Let's get on that now. Okay, now as you can see, here is our box. Let's get this open. So with the box open, let's see, first thing we're gonna pull out. Now it's the 1300 series with a 10-year deck warranty. All right, let's get this continued to be pulled out. Okay, we're gonna grab our boxes. We have two Ego batteries that come with the unit. Let's pull that out now. Okay, and this is their, as you can see, 6 amp hour batteries, and you get 2 of them, arc lithium. Let's continue to unbox that. Now, here is the second battery. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Now here we have our instructions, a warranty guide. Let's open that up so you can see that very quickly. Okay, you have your battery operator's manual. Follow that to the letter. You have a charger operator's manual. Again, follow that to the letter. And you have your operator's manual for your 1300 series Ego lawnmower. All right, let's continue to unbox. Okay, the next thing that's out is our bag. A solid bag with our bag insert. Let's get that together now. Okay, the bag insert, you're gonna simply take the metal rib, if you will, of the bag. You're gonna slip the bag over as such. You're gonna tuck it underneath. If you can see the handle here, you're gonna tuck it underneath there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it to the end here and begin to slip it over the metal part as such, locking the bag in place. You're gonna go down the line doing that. Let's do that now. Okay, completely assembled. That's what your bag is gonna look like. You got the handle at the top. Okay, let's set that to the side. Okay, now the next thing out of the box is our dual Ego charger for our batteries. And this is a plug-in, of course. We're gonna set that to the side. Now the next thing is our side chute. That's if you wanna get rid of your grass through the side chute attachment. Well, that's what this is. I'm holding the side chute attachment. We'll show you how that goes in. Okay, let's continue. Now just look at how beefed up she looks. Ooh-wee! Let's get this sucker out of this box. Also included is a mulch attachment. If you don't want to bag your grass, you're going to simply use this mulch attachment and put that in the back. Let's show you that now. Now to simply apply the mulch attachment, you're going to lift up on the door. You're going to put it in as such with the handle facing up. The handle facing up, and put it in. Oh, sorry, wrong way. Handle facing down and slide it in. So, okay, as you can see, we have room for 2 batteries, and the same 2 batteries, of course, that came into the package. Now, let's get those installed now. Now, this is a quick caveat concerning the batteries. Before you operate the unit, you want to put the batteries on a charger and make sure that they're fully charged, and then proceed on with cutting the grass with the batteries. All right, let's carry on. Okay, now your batteries simply slide in on the rail and push down, locking them in place in both. And to release them, simply push down on the lever, pull out your battery on both ones. Okay, on to the next thing. Now I'm going to show you how that side chute operated. I'm going to come in as such, pull up, remove the side chute, lock the lever back down as such. Now to remove that, you're simply, let me give you a close-up. Now to open up the chute, you're simply going to take your finger, push down on the lever, and push up, and then take the attachment orientated with the metal piece upwards, slide it in as such, let it rest here on the arm, and now your grass will be shot out through the side. Let me give you a better view. Okay, now let's go around to our dashboard. Our dashboard, you have these nice pedals right here that you can push down, and when you push down, it engages the unit ever so quickly. Okay, continuing with the dashboard, as you see, if you press the pedals here on either side, it will engage the motor, the drive motor. Because we have the centerpiece set to off, if we come up a little bit and hit it, you see it will engage the drive. Now we have it on turbo. Well, you have, let's focus on the blades. You can change the blade from 1, 2, where both blades are run, or turbo, it spins much faster. Then you have your light, where you can turn your lights on. Let's see if you can see that around. We come around, and because it's bright out here, let's see if I can give you a close-up. Now, as you can see, these are the lights in front. Okay, now to engage the blades, what we're going to simply do is press down on the lever while pulling back on this bar here as such at the same time, and you should be able to hear the lawnmower come on. Now that's the awesome power of the Ego. Now focusing on the wheels, it's easy to change the wheel height. Each adjustment adjusts both wheels on either side, so you don't have to worry about adjusting all 4 at a time. It's easy. Let's do that now. Let me show you how easy that is to get in here. You simply get in here, pull back on the lever. You can raise it nice and easy. Okay, now we're gonna put this side attachment on so you can see that again. We're gonna simply come down, raise up on our door as such. We're gonna grab our attachment, slide it up and down as such, and then just lay the door down on top of that. And that will be for our shooting out the grass from the side attachment. Now, to use that side attachment, you must also have the mulching attachment in place. Let's get that done now too. Now remember, we're going to orientate the attachment with the Ego logo facing up and the handle facing down. Let's get that done now. So we're going to lift up on the door and we're going to simply place our attachment in, let the door down. Now we'll be able to send it out through the side chute. Okay, let's show you this in action. We're gonna first engage it, our motor. I'm gonna show you coming out to the side attachment. And that's cutting nice and smooth. You simply pull it back. Engage it again. Even strokes. Now with the bag attachment on, let's see how this works. Let's engage the motor. Okay, push the paddles, engage and drive. Nice and smooth. Now look at that cut. That's a nice smooth cut. Let's continue to see her in action. Easy to move around. Not cumbersome. I let go, it stops on the dime. And that's the Ego 1300 series. Now with our Ego being here, let's continue to get this grass cut, and we got other work to do. Continue to hit that like and subscribe. As always, think safe, be safe. And as always, see you on the next job. Talk to you later.